Flip a bottle challenge.
Okay, og dili maka-flip. Og dili maka-flip.
No, you
Nothing.
need to flip it like that. And then if it goes down like that.
You have to
So,
put like
There's
coal on your
something.
face.
Yeah.
Why?
That's a challenge.
That's a challenge.
If I can do it like this, if I can let this down, I'll put a coal in her face.
Ah, right.
Right. There you go now. Come on here. Just one line, just one. Just one. And it's your turn.
Okay. Standing is much more better for me.
Good luck.
It's your turn.
Oh, it's my turn.
Yeah. We take turns. Oh.
Grabe makaitay na. Wala.
Mm-hmm.
Wala.
Not three player.
Dili lang mo sila ako.
I am a cross.
Yeah. Sige na.
Look.
Flip it na. No.
Pero mag-flip.
Yeah. My turn. My turn.
So close.
You wanna join?
Irog diri pang diri ka pang
Dili lang.
kita.
You wanna join?
Let's join.
Unya na wala pa to.
Son. Oh, ha? Oh, it's my turn na. Wala na. Kasura. No, humong na.
I stopped it before mommy got 3 goals. Because I like to tell you.
No. Oh, you think it's time. If you get it, you need to swipe to mommy.
And to papang.
Oh, sige. Oh, sige.
Yay!
Sige.
Could I do it? Could we do it?
No, just in the face.
Ah!
Just on the face, you know.
Pero masi again.
Oh, just one. Sige.
Ikaw na di ay.
Now my turn.
Mommy's turn.
Oh,
Wait.
oh God.
Could we swap?
Oh,
Ikaw kay
sige.
nagbantay ko kuan.
Sige. You stand up. You stand up. You want.
They're so close.
Ikaw. No. My turn.
Daghan naman siguro kayo ng tubig.
It's okay.
Dili,
I can
Mom.
flip it. Sige.
Di ka dawat ka di ka patindog.
No.
Too much.
It's not too much.
Too much?
Too much flipping.
Okay. Sige. Ikaw na. Tarong nga po. Oh. Malam mo dia. Puno juga kuan yun.
Hello.
Why don't you do it on mommy?
Okay. Yeah. I'll do it the both of you. If I can flip it.
Tarong anak.
That's the new thing.
You could do it on anybody's face.
Oh, wala pa. Ano kaya asa na? Ano sige.
Oh, it's my turn.
Wala eh.
Mommy's turn.
Kasan ka?
Ay, huwag palayo. Dito na ba? Okay.
Sige na.
Anak,
Eh, sugay na siya.
May gusto mong ilong.
Sugtay na siya. Gusto na yan po.
Ay! Almost.
Ah!
Give me.
Sige. Nope.
It's flipped on the egg.
Oh!
My turn.
Okay. Nope.
So close.
Your turn. Nope. Why is it hard now?
Ow! Could I stand up?
Yeah, go ahead. Stand up siya. Yeah, the two of you. Come on here.
Unsa man na pang?
Oh, one line only.
One line yan ako kayo.
Because I have a big finger. Within the you're done. Sige, sige. Ay, ikaw.
Kuha ko ng tubig gamay.
No, sige,
Yeah, it
ikaw
needs
bahala.
to be right here.
No.
No, I'm gonna fill it up with
No,
water.
no. Ikaw na, stand na. Sige na.
Sa mga dumatikasan ba, no? Ay! Sobra.
Oh! Come on here, come on.
No, but it didn't rise.
Come on, come on.
Gamay ara. Ayaw magdako apang.
Give me.
Hindi na yung kapatid ko gana.
Sige, sige. Sige. Ah. No. Okay. Nope. Oh, no. Come on there.
No, mommy.
Oh, mommy first.
Mommy.
Yanong gigiver man apang.
Oh, bitin yan, bitin
Kaya
yan.
nakabalos ko rin.
Ayaw na.
No.
Oh, ikaw. It's your turn. No.
Your turn.
Oh, ini ayo isa ba? Nope.
Wala ko kapit na. Nagpagbigas mo kaniha.
Could I do it?
I flip it.
Could
I
I do
flip
it?
it.
Could
Flip
I
it.
do it to mommy?
Oh, you can do it to mommy.
Isa naka-flip.
Ako.
Because... Kaya nga limit ba yung bubutang?
Uy, gusto mo sa yung butang.
Because...
Oh.
Ano, one line naman.
Ah, sige. Oh, wala na siya. Ah, bitin din. No. It needs time. I flip it again. Come on here.
Ano ni diretso niya? Ano ako wala?
Mira.
Ako naman duha.
Sige, oh, si mami. Sige, mami. Oh, mami.
O siya, o sige.
Siya, ikaw din, Ming. Sige.
Sige lang, ikaw.
Yeah. Nope. My turn. Oh, that's too much. That's too much. Ah, sige.
Ako nila.
Ah, ah.
Tirin ako.
No, that's not.
Wala pa!
It's
Wala
not.
pa! Sige, outro lang. Sige, tayo na. Tayo na. Come then. Balos na yung mga. Tindog ko rin. Tindog. Tindog ko rin. Ang yung sabi.
I don't need sawi.
It doesn't count.
No.
Does that count?
Nope. See, you want to try it though? Nope. Ah!
You make me laugh. Could I do it on mommy?
Yeah. I'm gonna do it to you.
Isa na nakasipa to.
Ako.
Yung ano siya man.
Ang ginawa mo sa kumutang. Kinala mo niya kung kabutakan.
My turn. My turn.
Nope. Ah! Here.
Sisa na kami.
Ako. Ow.
Pagdako ba ang magibutang?
Oh God. Nope.
You just have to act straightly calm.
Yeah. Sige ako. Sige.
Hindi ko anong lip-lip eh. Mapasok. Mapasok mo ko ano.
Oh. Oh, last, how many flips? How many flips?
Do I get?
Last flips na. Sige. To finish the challenge.
No.
Hmm? Five more.
Yeah.
Okay, 5 more. That was 1. 2.
2.
Nope.
Hit the table.
Nope. Oh!
Ito mo na.
Ako.
Nusong na tawa na. Mura mang tagpuan. Lingaw kay mong duhano. Ang niya ako wala.
No.
Pakita.
Wait, I didn't do it on you.
Oh.
Gamay rin niyang gutan.
What? She has like so much marks on her face.
Oh, we're done na. That's it. That's it.